Whoa. Hey, on Society, what's up? Hey, Wamo, what's up? What's up? Doing alright. Just gonna be working on the sandworm, so I'm trying to like look up examples of other procedurally generated ones. Bug report on Discord channel. Which channel did you post it in? Where are people posting in general chat? People are posting their games and stuff in general chat. That's annoying. Oh, here we go. A little alcove lately added has no texture at the bottom. Not the latest save in the list? You died the saving screen. I'll copy those. Yeah, I don't have a bug report channel. Let's put that there. Maybe I should make one. I mean, I would say just use the exclusive channel for that. Alright, let's see. So I gotta try to figure out... I wanna find a better way to procedurally animate this worm, I don't know. This is the coolest one I found. Okay, it doesn't say. Full video. What's up, Rio?
Don't forget that for every prototype project, we have a longer training session in our Unity Learn website into it. But for the 3D assets, we decided to download this scene with the same environment. Creating a good camera system and script responsive. The actual boss 3D model is made out of modular pieces and doesn't actually have any animation applied to it. And the best way to approach these kinds of scenarios is to implement some sort of procedural animation that would remove the necessity to create keyframe animations when quickly prototyping. By using the animation rigging package, it is possible to choose between a set of predefined animation constraints to modify or even create new motions. One of the constraints available in this set is called Dampen Transform. This constraint allows damping the position and rotation transform values from a source game object to a constraint game object. Meaning that with this constraint, we can set a hierarchy of rotation interpolation for the entire enemy body structure, allowing us to create a very dynamic movement by only rotating the main object. After the animation was set, it was time to start making our boss move around the environment while taking into consideration the player's position. We knew that we wanted the enemy to go in and out of the terrain in an arc motion, which would make a lot of sense for a boss fight. The quickest way we found to prototype this was by using a Cinemachine track. With this feature, we can easily create a path for any object to follow, and the reason why we chose this tool to move the enemy was because the track can basically use 3 points to create a smooth arc. Not only that, but there are additional parameters to the track that can also create a roll effect, making the boss movement much more polished.
Oh, that's cool.
With the Cinemachine track implemented, we then
That's the
started
64
creating the
probably.
logic
I'm
to
just
know
so
where to
focused on
place
this
the
right
points
now.
of the path. The code basically
Rough flex
determines
right now.
2 random positions in the world to be the start and end points of the track, but
Okay.
then uses the player position with additional forward movement as the middle point of the arc. This way, the boss always tries to intercept the player's next move.
That's cool.
Intercept the middle point
see that
of the
code.
arc.
They do, yeah, they just do velocity times 3. So they don't predict or anything, they just go slightly in front of you. And then they say player position Y. Might player position max. Oh, I see. So it goes, the lowest it'll go is 10. I see, okay. Model any cars recently? No. Interesting.
This way, the boss always tries to intercept the player's next move. Now, of course, when navigating the environment, it can be hard to track the boss moving around, especially if it approaches the player from behind. To solve this specific issue, we implemented a second camera that uses a framing transposer and a Cinemachine target group to have both the player and boss in the frame at all times. This can be activated anytime by enabling the new camera. And then to enhance the visual look player's camera for a longer training session
Do they
showcasing the
have
feature. Interesting trick we used was to add some additional rotation to only the model itself
Making the
to
boss
apply
position.
to it. These kinds of scenarios to create keyframe
Oh, so they just
that
used a package.
transform
They didn't code
for
it.
the entire animation transform values from a source game object to a constraint game object.
So, what would that mean? How could I code that?
object, meaning that with this constraint, we can set a hierarchy of rotation interpolation for the entire enemy body structure, allowing
Interesting. Okay, let's see. Are there any other stuff here? Lizard, snake. Oh yeah, I've seen this. Let's put the music back. Yeah, this is pretty sick. That's very cool. That's very cool. Did they? Okay. Looks like it's changing every stuff. It looks like they just moved the head and then they just have it like joints that follow it or something. Yeah, it's such crazy animation. Oh, oops, forgot to turn the music back on. There we go. Yeah, I forgot to turn it down. I had the volume turned up for the video. Pretty crazy stuff. What? How do they even do that? Okay, what else? Okay, so first thing I need to do is I need to make so the head actually rotates properly. And I think I'm going to change it from the way it was. Let's see. So go to your scene. I'm going to adjust this so that the graphics. Let me see. I want to rotate this so that it goes. Wait, no. Which way is Z? Oh, that way. Okay, so negative Z is the forward for some reason. Alright, I guess I could just do it that way. Why is negative Z forward? Let's look that up. OpenGL conventions. So looking forward means looking at the negative Z. Huh. Interesting. Alright, well I should go with the convention, I guess. Okay, so we got this. Oops. This. And then that one should be green. Okay, so, been a while since you tuned in. Really? I thought I just saw you yesterday. Okay, so, I want it to face on the Z. So first off, let's do this. So, let me think. So I want it to face in a direction. So the first thing it needs to do is get Z, this is the forward, right? So we get the negative Z and we see the angle to that. So let's see, angle horizontal, and then angle vertical would be worm time, hell yeah, guys. Okay, so negative Z is forward, and then X is to the right. Oh, interesting, okay. So X is to the right, so then we see, so we want X, right? Wait, is that? Dang. Oh, I see, hang on, no, that's not what I want. I want, there, let's see. So we need, I guess Z to the forward or something. Oh, we can just convert direction to local. Segment to local direction. L direction equals that, okay. Then I'd say, I would say vector3 dot forward angle to, let's see, L direction, so on the horizontal, so y equals 0. Oops. Let's see, var horizontal L direction equals that. And then I say this. Okay, so that's the horizontal. And then I need the vertical, which is going to be, x is 0. So then I get the angle to the horizontal one, and then I do the angle to the vertical one. There we go. Okay, so next up, let's see. So we got the angle horizontal, angle vertical. Then we need to check if we turn right. That's just going to be vector 3. No. Vector 3 dot right. So we do vector 3 dot right dotted with the local direction. And then we do turn up. Hey Steamboat, what's up? Let's see. So then we do turn up is vector up dotted with that. All right, so if that's positive, we need to turn up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think, hang on. Okay, hang on. All right, I see. I've been doing something wrong. So first off, let's get the horizontal angle difference. Let's see if that is less than the turn amount. Else, get rid of that. Segment dot, what is this? Global rotate. Oh, that's, because I want this to be on the global vectors, right? So I need to check if, yeah, okay. So global rotate, let's see. So this will say global rotate on the, so if it's horizontal, then we want to rotate on the up by turn amount. Okay, and then we do the same thing for this, the vertical. Then we're going to turn on the right by, all right, let's see how that works. I think, because that's kind of what I'm wanting more, is that it uses global coordinates, so that way it won't twist and be weird. It'll always keep its head right. What? Okay, that's not working right. Okay, that's not working. These errors are not helping. I don't know which one of these. Maybe I'll just delete these. Maybe that'll help. Let's see which one of those was causing it. Okay, it was that. All right, so let's just comment out these. What do I need here? I need to math this out better. Okay, so let's say I need to face this point. I take the direction to there, and then I see that I need to rotate right, so I rotate right. If it's up, this dot product with that will give a positive. I need to rotate up. Okay, then the problem is that, okay. I think that's one problem, is that I'm rotating on the wrong, the wrong global axis for the right. Okay, hold on, let's get rid of that and see how it works. Okay, that's not working. Just spins forever, okay. Print this, what's going on? Oh, yeah, that's gonna give me radians, which is harder to read. Okay, what am I working on? Procedurally animated sandworm. It's not going well. It just says 1. Now it says -1. It always spins in the same direction. Oh, wait. Duh, this needs to be times turn right. There. This is supposed to be that. So I wasn't changing direction. Why is it facing the wrong way? Yeah, now it's not facing the right way. What the hell? Have you considered giving the day Twitch subscribers? I mean, it's just on my Patreon. If you want to play it, you just back it on Patreon. Why is this? Why is this not? Okay. That's annoying me. Huh. Okay. This. I think I'm rotating it wrong. So like, I need to like directly set its global rotation instead of. What the hell? Why is this weird? Why is this being dumb? And like, I'm over here, so it shouldn't even be starting the animation yet. Like, why is it starting the animation there? Okay. Just put it back to this one, just local rotation, I guess. Oh no, that's wrong. Okay, so it's not this, it's the, something here is wrong. So I convert this to local. So this thing should always have the same global right anyways. Oh, right. Damn. Okay, I can't do that. What of this? Oh, the Mandalorian? Yeah. Yeah, the cool one. Alright, so that's not working. Fuck that. So now we're gonna say no. Contour.basis.z. Wait, let me just make sure let's see. Forward equals that. Right equals that. Okay, that's up. So then we just say this, get the angle to the direction. I don't really need to do this right now. I can comment all this stuff out. Okay, don't worry about any of this right now. So we just say the sign of forward dotted with that. No. With right dotted with direction. And the sign of up dotted with direction. That means you need to turn up. Okay, so now I want to say segment global rotate this one along that by turn amount times turn right, right? So that should just turn it around vertically in the direction it needs to go. Nope. Now it just spins forever. What? Why? What the fuck? Degrees to radius, turn speed times delta. Times turn right? What? Why is that always wrong? Okay, now it says 1. It's turning, why is it turning left? That flipped or something? Nope, now it turns the other way. What? Right. So that is the global right, correct? So this is, forward is negative and then right is positive on its x, right? Okay. Why is that wrong? What the hell? Why is this giving the wrong value? What? Do I just print the dot product? I really wish there was more debug features where you could just draw lines and stuff. That's giving a positive value. Well, that's giving a negative value. For being on the right? Like what? Debug draw lines. Oh yeah. You have to use immediate geometry, which is bullshit. Maybe if I check the character mover face direction, what am I doing here that's different? The angle difference, and I have turn right, which is that dotted with direction. Yeah, that's, what? Am I not? Oh, I didn't get the segment, that's why. I was just doing, it's local. There. That's the problem. Okay. So now, that should work. No? What the hell? Why is it facing that way? Why? What? It like goes the wrong way? Oh my god. Hey Bronies, working on a procedurally animated sandworm. So this also uses negative? Why does that use negative? That doesn't make any sense. Monitor. Maybe because angles are flipped or something? Oh, it's just, maybe I need to flip that or something. I guess. Nope. That doesn't work either. What? Why are these all wrong? Okay, so I look in here, have to turn right. It's just. Oh, I took the negative of the dot from it. Okay. Like that? No. There. Yeah, and then it goes the wrong way. It's like facing the wrong thing towards me. Oh, maybe because it was going up. It wasn't supposed to face towards me there. Okay, now it looks like it's working. It's facing towards me properly. Okay. Oh, the problem is all the rotations are funky. Oh, and I don't want that face direction. I hate that. Let's see. When it goes up. Just wanted to do. I need to make it like more naturally rotated move, and then that one's fine. Do gold, that's fine. Okay. So right now I'm trying to get the head to rotate nicely, and then I need to make its body. See, the body like flips like that, which isn't gonna fly. So first plan, I just wanted to get it to rotate vertically properly. Or on the y-axis. Now I need to get it to rotate on its local x-axis properly. So that's that. I did add the firebug thing in like ages ago. Let's see. Okay, so now I don't understand why that was flipped. That's so weird. Turn up, maybe. This will rotate on its right. Okay, let's try that. That's not working. What is this? Error. Axis must be normalized. It is normalized. What? It is normalized, it's a basis. Okay, dot normalized. Okay. What? I don't know why that didn't work before. Okay. Then it goes down. Okay, cool. And that like twists in there. Okay. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, the head's moving in a cool way. Oh, but it flips upside down, which I don't want. I need to like clamp it. So it needs to have like a, let's see. Let's see, what would this be? What do I need to print? Print it, segment dot rotation dot, say rotation degrees dot x. See if it's local rotation. Frogs and Firefly for pit fights. Oh no. Probably. I don't know, they might be too valuable too. Okay, is this, how do I get this to like rotate weird? I don't think it, I'm not sure if it can rotate the other way. Probably, actually that's probably fine if it does. I don't know. Okay, so now I need to, hey Manuel. Transform look at, it does, but that won't give me the right, it might like flip along the z-axis, right? It might rotate weirdly along the z-axis. Look at's not reliable for like stuff like this if you're doing a chain of stuff. So now I need to get the angle difference, right? So I need to see so I just get the straight up, let's just get the angle difference from the forward vector. Oh yeah, okay. I see. Angle difference along the h from the forward, the direction, and the equal would be from the forward to the direction. Let's see. I need to do, how would I do this? How do I put something along a plane? Like cast a plane or something. Flatten point to plane. How do you do that? There's a way, right? Maybe I can just convert it to local. I don't know. This would be vector 3 dot forward dot angle 2 dot 2 local that local is that right? And then I would say the absolute value of this is less than or is greater than the amount, and I would say angle difference. See if that one works. Projection, that's the word I was thinking of. Oh no, that doesn't work. Okay, fuck that. It just really does not like doing that. We do the forward, and then I need to project it along, project to plane. Is that in here? Nope. So per to plane. What is this plane? Okay. So how do I create a plane? What? Okay. What? Normal? What is? Okay, what are these? 3 components over the resulting are that and has a distance d from origin. From the 3 points given in clockwise order, from the normal and the plane's distance to the origin. What? How does that even work? Oh, no, this is 3D. What? How would it... I thought you needed a position and a normal. How would that work? What? Plane's distance to the origin. Wouldn't that give you multiple spots? That's weird. Why does the music keep stopping? Okay. I don't understand. This is dumb. Okay. Check 3D. I don't understand. Why is there no explanation on this? Go plane. Explanation somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, but what does that mean? D is distance from the origin, like in the direction of the normal. Oh, okay. Huh. That's weird. I don't like that. What? Okay. I mean, I could do that. It's just no. That's another square root. Like, isn't there a way I can like project to a plane in a different way? Game dev project to plane. Project point to plane. Okay. Make a vector from your original point to the point of interest. Take the dot product of that vector with the unit normal vector. Distance, scalar distance. Subtract that vector from the point. Oh, wrong. Okay. Everyone's like, wrong. Yeah, that's the plane. Why can't I just like convert it to local and get rid of its Can I just get like the local, like the, hang on. If I say LH direction dot angle, nope. Why can't you just get an angle of a vector? Can't I do that? I thought vector had angle in it. Angle. Isn't there angle in here? Angle 2. Angle 2. Wait, what's this? Nope. Dot, nope. Nope. Why? I swear there was an angle vector where you just get the angle of a base vector instead of having to get the angle between two of them. Suplex. What? So I need to get the angle just along one plane. How do I do that? Like, the angle difference is, that's giving me the total angle. Like I need to like either project that to the plane or I get the local and I just say y equals 0. I mean, that's what I would think it would be. And then I'd get like vector 3 forward angle to that. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just do it. Var plane equals plane. And I'll just say, let's see, normal is forward. And then I'd say Biopunk the after effects of mRNA. We'll see. Let's see. Dot length, I guess. Let's see. 2. Okay, wait. So this gives me let me think. I need the plane that's on our horizontal. Okay, so this will give me the vertical. So let's see, vertical plane. And then I need the horizontal plane, which is the right, I think. Wait, is that right? No, that needs to be on the up. Yeah. Okay, and then I could project. Let's see, I would project the H plane dot project the direction onto it, right? That work? I have no idea if that would work. Maybe, let's try this. No, okay, that doesn't work. Man, I don't get this at all. I need to get the angle just along one axis. Like, why is that so complicated? Oh my god. Oh wait, why don't I just do, this is a direction and global, but that doesn't mean it has a position. So I could just be like, this should just be 0, right? I don't need that. Then I would say H plane dot project the direction onto that, right? Yeah, I don't need to do anything like that. Come on. Nope. Okay, that glitches out again. I tried doing it in local space and it doesn't work. I don't know, it gives the same issue. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Because I feel like I've done that before and I don't know why it's like, so that's giving, there's like, then it goes there and it's like, huh. Like, so, okay, so this is what would make sense, right? Is to be like, okay, get the var local direction, right? Oh, I know, I could do atan. And then, okay, so let's do local direction equals segment dot to local. This is what I've done before, I think. Direction, and then it was in homing bullet when I did it here. I got, that was this, right? Oh, what? Angle 2. Oh, that's so interesting. That's how I did it there. So I didn't have to save another variable. Okay, well maybe it's just that. So this is what I did. So I set that angle difference was just this to local direction times that. That's what I did. But this doesn't work here, it doesn't seem like. I just need to see if the angle's going to overshoot. Oh, wait. Okay, now it looks like it's working on the head. Okay. Obviously the other angle isn't working, but so I haven't set it up for that. Why did it work that time, but not the other times when I localized it? I don't know, dude. dumb. So I just say that, and I say that. Oh wait. Oh, because I didn't even use the code. Duh. Okay. Okay, I didn't even use the code. Never mind. I wasn't even using the code, of course. Okay, there, now it's broken. See? That's what happens when it... So I'm just trying to check if it's going to overshoot, right? If the turn amount is going to overshoot, then just only use that turn amount, right? Right, let's see. I just say don't... Oh, whoops, I need to put pass in there. Yes, I know, shut up. But no. Okay, so I just need to say print will overshoot, right? Oh, I could just have it stop. I don't even have to have it rotate. I could just have it stop when it's there. It just says will overshoot always. Okay, well I could just do that. Instead of trying to rotate, I'll just skip it, right? There. So it is reading, oh no. None of them are rotating. Yeah, the rotation, okay, it's completely off with that. Yeah, nothing rotates if you do that. So this is completely wrong, okay. Okay, yeah, this just does not return the right thing then. Print 2 degrees that. Let's just get the horizontal difference and see what's going on. Okay, so it's saying 22 degrees. That's not right at all. Why is it? What? Why is it 22 degrees? If that absolute value is greater, oh wait, oh, am I doing this wrong? It should be less than. That is less than the turn amount. Then it should do that, right? Yeah. Oops. Is that all it was? I was just being dumb and I put less than instead of greater than. Okay. Oh, now it seems to like twist weird on the... It looks like it's doing alright with that. Oh, why does it go upside down though? Shouldn't do that. Now what if I said this? Yeah, so it shouldn't be able to turn past a certain angle, also on the vertical. But I'll have to figure that out later. Yeah, that way it shouldn't be able to turn upside down. Okay, how do I check? Oh, wait, that's not right. This should be this. Don't know why that's like that, that's dumb. Should be this. Here we go. That might have been part of the problem. I don't know how I'd actually check the angle though, because I'm only using global rotate. I'm never actually accessing the angle. Oh no, why is it doing that? Oh, because as it gets close to the goal, it rotates to face it. Okay. Yeah, so then it flips upside down. So what I need to do is print segment dot maybe rotation degrees dot rotating on that would be on the X, right? Okay. Yeah, okay. So also it shouldn't go for the ground position, it should go down farther. Okay, so wait, that one. Yeah, hold up, that's annoying me. There is, hey Strelly, there is this where it's setting the ground position. So when it's arcing down, target ground position. Wait, burrow state. Target ground position, let's see. What's that noise? Oh. So this is just getting the direction to the goal position. So instead I should set a facing direction. So it doesn't just, let's see, player position, this, okay. And then var facing I should do. Facing equals that. And then I should set facing to that, set facing to that. And then instead of doing this, I should say facing equals this. And we swap to the arc state, right? There. Set it to be that, right? Ooh, whoops, hang on. There. There. Okay. Facing equals that. There. There. And then the last one would be direction equals. Alright, it's just going towards that, which is fine. I don't need to set anything there. Hey, NRV. I could check. Oh, what? Why is it doing that? Why is it? Oh no, it's still going down. Come on. Let's see. What if instead of doing that, I just set, where is it? Instead of doing facing, yeah, still working on the worm thing. Here, I do this, times, let's see, we do direction to goal. Doing the direction to that. What if I set like here? Let's see. And then we get the direction to that. Plus equals that times the direction times 10. How about? And it should dig down instead of directly at the point. Should fix some of that. And then I think for checking that we don't rotate over, or over rotate, it should rotate. What? Why? Why doesn't it do that? At the distance squared, no. Origin dot y. That should just be is less than there. If it's just less than that, it should do it. Okay, come on, dive. What? Why does it? No, why? So we're getting our direction to this. What if I set that really far? Okay, so it sets arc down and it says this. Oh, I guess because it's farther away, so now it's aiming at that. That's dumb. Why does it do that? I don't want that. Okay, so we're just aiming at the ground, right? Direction to goal, we're just aiming at this, right? So I just need to see if our height is well, that's always going to be a 0, so I just need to see if this is like at like 3.0 or something. Then it should just go down, right? I don't know why it just like rotates back up though. Yeah, what's up with that? Why does it do that? That seems more like a rotation glitch then. Alright, let's put a debug. Okay, so it's going down to that. Oh, so it's just straight up not rotating right anymore. So it is setting the goal position properly. But why is this wrong? Wait, what if I set you to like our position? That times 3. And just see that it is setting the facing correctly. Where? What? Where'd it go? Maybe times 10? Oh, there it is. Okay. So it's setting the facing in the proper direction. It's not setting the graphics now. But it was just working. What changed? Maybe it's this part? Is that part broken? Why do I set the Y? That's just the goal position, because Y is going to be the ground. Yeah, still working on the boss. Still not going great. Okay, so it's that part that's broken. It's the vertical rotate check. So this part is broken. So this part is broken. However, I'm getting the angle diff just isn't working now. That made it go the wrong way for some reason. And it still twists on the Z weirdly. So what if I check, what if I just don't use that for now? Okay, wait. I do need that actually. It looks like I do need that. I'm not sure. Okay, so, So it goes there, and the problem is that here it goes back up. It's like rotating the wrong way. So maybe I need to set this to negative. No, that's wrong. Okay. Wait, what? So it worked there, but... Okay, so now it works there. What? Why did it not work on the first one, but it worked on all the other ones? Yeah, it doesn't work on that one. What? What? Okay. Can you modify the forward vector of an object? I mean, you can mess with the basis, but then you have to mess with the side, the X and the Y as well. Yeah, there it says it's going to overshoot. Why is that? That should be ret 2 degree. That's not correct. Oh, whoops. It needs to be on. What? No, that's not. Why is that? That's not correct. The vector is. Oh, wait, if it's up, hang on. If I'm getting forward and I'm getting the up, that should just give a small amount. What? Wait, let me think. So the vertical vector is getting the y and the 1, right? Can I just print that? That's not right. So that's doing what? Why is it giving negative 28? Oh, I guess because it's to local or something. Oh, I'm converting a position. I'm not converting a direction, I'm converting a position. This needs to be plus our position, doesn't it? When I do this. Origin plus that. That's probably where a lot of the problem was coming. Duh. There, that's what all the problem was. How did it even work before without that? It's crazy. It's probably what everything was causing. Yeah, I can't just convert a direction to local without adding our own position first. Okay. It still wobbles weirdly on the Z though, which annoys me. Okay. Do you want to keep the minus? I'm not sure if I need to now. Let's see. Still wobbles on the Z though. Wondering if like, oh, maybe that was just a bug. No, it's still there. Will that be noticeable in the final part? Is there where I could do like damping or something? See, it like vibrates a bit. How do I make it not do that? I get rid of the debug. What if I put this part first or something? Or what if I, instead of doing that, I like, yeah, like separate, do them separate, right? So I say that. So then I do those calculations after I've done the horizontal rotation, because there might be some kind of overshoot caused by that. Oh, that fixed it. Okay, that was what the problem was. Okay, cool. So now I need to make so it doesn't flip. Okay, so yeah, it's always a pain to work with 3D rotations. So basically, how do I want to rotate the head? So I need to see if, when I'm rotating the head, I need to see, I need to check the direction with the segment behind, I guess, or something. Okay, so that's hover. Basically, I need to check that the Y doesn't ever go upside down or something, like, so it can go up like that and it can come down, but it should never go on the below plane. So I need to take so let's see, turn up here. So that's taking our upward vector with the direction. But then it should also, maybe I need to do times vector, let me think, our up, vector 3 dot up. So what I need to do is check if think. So if we're at, open paint, whatever. So if we're at like here, this is the head, and then the body's like right all the way down, and then the goal point is here that I want to rotate to. So I can get, that's the direction to that. I get this angle and I get this angle. But I need to make sure that this can never go down here. It should always go this way. So what I need to think, I need to take the dot product of this with this. Okay. So I take the dot product of this with this direction. If it's positive, it means it's on the other side. If it's positive, it means it's this way. Oh, okay. If it's positive, that means it's this way. If it's negative, that means it's this way, and we should rotate this way, right? So if it's this way, we don't do anything, and we just let the head turn around horizontally, and then it will automatically turn. Okay, so condition number 1. Condition 1, if we're here, and the target point is here, if we're facing up, then we should, if the target direction is, wait, let me think, what is this? Can I think of a time when that wouldn't work? If the direction to that dotted with the direction of this is ever positive, if it's negative, we always rotate this way. If it's positive, then we want to rotate this way, but hang on. Yeah, how am I doing that? So I take, var clamp button. Or something. So let's see. So I take this, I'm taking the up dotted with the direction and the sign of that. So if it's negative, I'm saying we need to turn negative, which would rotate. Yeah, that's right. And if it's positive, we rotate the other way. But if we're past that, so if this sign, so if I take the, hang on. Yeah, I take it with that. It would give 0 if it's perpendicular, and it would get negative if it's in the wrong direction. So if we are at this and we were saying to turn up, then do not do this. Oops. So let me think, see if I got that right. I just say vertical rotation. I don't know, whatever. Let me think here. What? Oh, no, it's not working. Let me see that, and then so that'll tell me which. Oh, come on! What now? What now? What? Oh, it's defined right before it. Okay, so that is returning. Oh, if this is greater than 0, whoops, and at max rotation is less than 0. That's what I meant. Hey, Lucas. Okay, there we go. So there we go. Okay, now let's see how that works down here. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, did that work? I can't tell. Let's see, if I'm on this side of it, I can't really tell, it like twists a lot. Should be the top of its head. Oh, it looks like it's working. Okay. All right, it's twisting. Good. Okay, cool. The worm works. The head's working, I think, mostly. It does rotate weirdly a lot, like that. But it kind of looks cool, so I might just leave it. Okay, so I got this, and I made sure that it doesn't go past a certain rotation. This snake wiggle look. I mean, it's not really a snake though. Okay, so we got that. Now we need to make the next part, face segment, right? So let me think, how is this gonna work? First up, this just needs to, I think, clamp to a max rotation, right? So if how do I clear? There. Okay, so we got this. So I have multiple segments. Pin. I've got multiple segments. Right, so here's body segment 1, here's body segment 2, 3, right? And now, what I was trying to do just now was have yesterday was have them, follow like this. Maybe draw this. Right, so we got the right and the right. And then this is the forward. And then this is that. The up, right? So I was trying to make them all in line. Always, but it's kind of glitchy and weird. But what I need to do more is allow a certain amount of twist. So like, if this top one, see, oh, there's not the right. Okay, so we have them below. So I want to make so this one, if they're all like below each other, I want to make so there can be a certain amount of twist. So it could be like that. So there will be like a max twist to it. So how do I check that? How do I check that? And then, and I could do what they did in that video, that Unity video, where it was like, they just had it like lerp to the same transform while maintaining a distance from it, a backwards distance. Will that work? So what this is doing now is just checking the distance. Face segment here. Okay, when I update graphics, I'm basically just going through I'm just going through. This should really not be in here. I don't know. I just get the distance from the last one to the current one, set its position, and then I say to align it. So I set it to be clamped to, right, okay, so it's far enough away, clamp it to the last position. But then I need to like somehow align it or something. So first I get the direction to it. Now that's going to be our Z. Couldn't I just project to a plane or something? Like, can get the angle between 2 points or something. What if I got its like rotation on the Z or something? It's like local Z rotation. No, that wouldn't work. So like on here, and then it's like this one's like here, this one's here, right? So I want to be able to get that kind of nice twist. I like the idea of just lerping to its last transform, but then it won't point perfectly in the same direction. Unless I had it base. Oh, okay, what if I did that? Instead of being like that, I think of it as like parent each node to each one, right? So it's like I have the head node, and then I have a body node that it sticks this way, and then another one that sticks this way, right? And then I would say, oh, and then I have the same problem again of like, I'd have to set its last position. Well, then I could track its last transform on the last position, move its position along to here. Okay, I like that better. So instead of having it point from this to this, I do it backwards. I think that would be easier, because then I can just say have the same transform as the one before you, and then lerp to your last transform. Yeah, let's see how that works. And then I could get the last, yeah, okay. Okay, hold up. So let's say all this get fucked. And reset all of you. What? Oh, no, all of you. Oh, stupid numlock. There. What? What do you mean determine is true? Oh, whoops. I have one. The scale's gotta be, there we go. Okay, so I'll call this align segment. And I'll just say last segment or something. Okay. I do need to track their position, so it seems like. So I'll just call align this segment to the last segment, and that's it. That's all I want to do right now, right? Which will require going into here, align segment to last segment. So the first thing I need to do is last segment position. I don't care about you. Oh, you do need to be here. Equals segment, okay. And then I don't care about that. There we go. Okay. Now I don't care about that. Don't care about that. Yeah, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Okay. First thing I need to do, get the segment's position. Is that it? Maybe I need to update all of them to be at the right positions or something. Okay, segments position tracks all the segments positions. So that way, even though I move the body, they'll stay in the right spots. So I do need to track that. So first thing I need to do is, yeah, how about instead of positions, I will do transforms. Transforms. Okay, and then transform equals current transform. There we go. And then where I set these, I will set this to be there. Okay. Segment in that, set the, okay, so we store all the transforms of the segments following the head. And then we just pass in here this. Okay, so we retrieve the current transform. Okay, and then we get the var last trans equals, let's see, last segment dot transform, right? Okay, so we'll get the last one's global transform, and then we want to set, let's see, we'll get the last transforms dot global last transform dot basis dot z plus dist between segments. Okay, so we have segments, and then we say the last transform dot origin plus that that might not work actually. Would that cause a problem? Instead of snapping to that, is that what I want to do? Maybe. Or, okay. Oh wait, yeah. I'm just lerping to that position. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So let's see, the current transform let's see, var new transform, and we'll say new equals that. Alright, night, Strelly. So we have a new transform. The origin will be that, okay. And let's just try lurking between these and see what happens. So new transform origin equals the last transform's origin plus its basis z times the distance between the segments. There. Okay, and then new transform dot basis equals last transform dot basis, and then we say, or no, this should be like 10. And then we say var current transform, no, not var, transform equals dot interpolate with the temp one by, I don't know, 0.2, let's say, and then we do that. Let's see what that does. So we just interpolate to it. Hopefully that doesn't crash it. Oh. Oh, whoa. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot more like what I saw in the Unity tutorial, but yeah, it looks weird as hell. The way it follows is really weird. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Can I interpolate between bases? Is there a basis interpolate? Is there interpolate on this? So how about I say that the bar, okay, so we do that, but then we say our position should not change unless it's, replace with that, start position equals current gen. Okay, so we do that, set it to that, and then we check if the dot distance squared to last transform dot origin is greater than, who's this? Come on, what? Oh, there's two parentheses, there we go. Then start position will equal the direction to, what is this? From last to plus this direction to start and times the distance. And what about that? Let's see how that looks. I go too fast. Okay. Ooh, that looks nice. It's still doing that weird wobble on the head, but the body's twisting really nicely. Okay. Remains to be seen how this will look on a rigged mesh, but that gives really nice rotation. What if I change the interpolation amount? I think I got it there. Nice. So I'll make a test mesh, I guess. We'll see how that works. That annoys me though, how it wobbles the head. Oh wait, they all have the same, huh? That's weird. I don't think that's good. Oh wait, yeah, that's not gonna work great. Hang on. Oh my god, stop. Oh. Maybe it should be doing like yeah, okay, so that's the problem, is that they all have the same rotation when I do that. Or the same, It's not giving. So, how do I make them? They should have like, would it be like interpolate to the identity or whatever it was? How would I transform a matrix by another matrix? That's what it's. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's still not gonna work. Yeah, that's not right. Maybe I just need to have it face the last one or something. Using that same code. What if I turn down the interpolation a bunch? Would that change it? No, that doesn't fix it. So I can't just do the last ones. Now if I skipped out all this code, why was that there? That does chain it. Yeah. Like that. It does chain it in a really cool way, but it like flips out too much. I feel like it needs to interpolate the position way less. What if I said take off all these and use instead? How do I do this? How would I don't know. Maybe I do need to just like record the transforms every like X seconds or something. And have it like all of them will chain through that. So like if it's like at 1, you're at here. And then at 2, you're at here. And then at 3, I don't know, just like, make a recording every X time. Record the head's position every X amount of seconds, or like fractions of a second. And then just interpolate between the recordings, right? So each one of these would have recordings for the last, I don't know. Let's see. How would that work? I think that would work, right? So every, let's say, 0.1 seconds. Hey Adrian, still working on the sandworm procedural animation for it. Trying to figure out the math for making the segments follow properly. So record the position every right. What's the word? Keyframe? Not keyframe, but I don't know what do you call it in multiplayer where you have like frame counts or something. I don't remember what it's called. Okay, record head position and orientation every 0.1 seconds, right? Then, the next seconds, interpolate last segment from last transform to the next one. Okay, so I think that makes sense. Each segment, every X seconds, record current transform over the next seconds until the next record, interpolate from its transform to the next segment's transform. That's what I want, right? Okay. Now the real challenge is, how do I know how often to record that? I guess based on the distance traveled or something? Maybe instead of seconds, it's distance, right? X meters, record current transform. Yeah, okay, because I'm doing distance by the segment's distance instead of the seconds. Okay, so get the last segment, current segment, last segment. No, wait. So then pseudocode would look like, for every segment, whatever, I need to pass in segment, last transform, and its next transform, and the weight. Pass in last transform, next transform, and the weight. Okay, and then that's easy. Function, lerp segment, spatial transform, next transform, whoops. And then wait. Then we just say segment, let's see, dot interpolate with this, next transform by weight. Let me just say segment dot global transform. Okay, equals that. Function record segments. All transforms. Can I claim back your number one? Oh, is it daily? Oh, it resets it every day. Oh, I had no idea. Okay, well, record segments. Oh, weekly, okay. Okay, so recording all the segments. So we're just gonna go through for child, children, child and get children. Let's see, this will be, I already had that recorded somewhere. And let's get rid of that. Okay, so for child in that, we do child, string child equals child dot global transform, right? And I'll say function increase traveled, right? And then I'll say, so let's see, oops, farthest traveled equals 0. And then we'll say, I don't know, d float distance travels plus equals d if distance traveled is greater than the distance between segments, then dist traveled I guess I could just check every frame or something, right? Yeah, okay, I could do that. So increase distance traveled, so increase that by d. If it's greater than that, we'll say distance traveled minus equals distance between segments. But first we'll say it's going to equal that. Wait. T equals that. Okay, so temporary will equals dist traveled minus that, okay. And then we need like a update transforms, and we'll just say our weight equals distance segments and distance traveled. We'll do that, okay, and then we'll say let's see, last segment transform equals head dot transform, and we'll say, yeah, it's GD script. All right, night Neela. So last segment transform equals that, and then for child we can get children. If child equals head, continue. Otherwise, you say norm equals. Let's see. There. So we'll grab that. Current segment transform equals that. Wait, what was I just doing? Okay, so we get the current transform, and we say, get that. Wait, okay. Last segment transform. What was that? Yep. Okay, so then we pass in our segment child. I actually call this segment. Okay, so that, okay. Segment, let me go from last transform. Ooh. Right, so we'll say this one to this, and then pass in weight. There we go. So that should do it for updating those. So then all I have to do here is first set, what is this, t? Okay, so we, t equals that, distance traveled equals that, update, and then distance traveled equals t, and then update again. I mean, I only have to do that once. I doubt anyone will notice. Actually, let's just be smart. Do it like this. Update transforms, and then record segments transforms. There. Okay. Let's see. No, I don't want that. I want there. There. Okay, so then increase distance travel, and that'll have to be tracked by, let's see. So instead of this, let's say, var last position will be up here. Let's see, oh, and we'll have to record the transforms. Record segments transforms, okay. Oh, and I feel like, I'm gonna need to actually set them to be the distance, yeah. Okay, so we do that. Let's see. Dot origin. There we go. Dot. Okay, let's see that, and then let's say var direction. Dot global form basis dot z. So child dot global transform that will be dir times dist segments. So we got that position. Do I want that? No, I could just track the index. Say index equals 0. We say that times index, and then we do index plus equals 1. Okay, so that should space them out accordingly. Then we record all their transforms. Then we come into graphics. Oh, and then we need to record our last position here, which is going to be that. Let's see. Equals head dot origin. There we go. Okay, and then we check in update graphics. We'll say we don't care about any of that. Get rid of you, get rid of you. Okay, and then we're just gonna say page direction, and we do current position was that. Increase distance traveled will be called with current position distance to last position, and then we set last position to equal the current position, right? So now what's going to happen, first in the ready, we're going to go through children, space them out, and then record all their transforms. Yeah, I heard Unreal is adopting similar scripting languages for school. Text-based scripting. But does anyone actually use Godot's visual scripting? Like, I've never seen anyone use it. So we do increase distance, and we just add plus d, and then if it's greater than the distance between segments, we just say get the difference, set the distance traveled to equal the distance between segments, and then update transforms. Ooh, the worm should not be able to be knocked back. Let me just note that. So I'm sure that would be a weird bug. Some people use it. Update the transforms, then record the new transforms once we get to the end, and then distance traveled will then equal what is it, the offset difference or something, and then we update the transforms again. The new one, okay, then we go to update transforms, which just goes to the new weight, just that. So it's a value of 0 to 1. Get the last one's transform, okay, that, and for each segment, skip current segment transform. Okay, get its last transform, and then it should be like start transform. And we blur between that, and we set. Oh, we never actually set. Okay, so. Oh, never mind. We do. We set it in here. Lerp segment. We just set bits. We just put that right here. We need a. Whatever. And then for each of these, record it. Okay, well, let's see. Will that work? Okay. That's kind of weird how it's like, oh, hey, no, maybe, I can't really tell. Oh, okay, I see. So it is following a path, but looks kind of weird. Okay, maybe. I feel like I should be setting all of these to be at like, oh no. Maybe? Can't really tell if that is just like following the path. Oh, and it's going by distance instead of, damn it, instead of time. Maybe it should be time instead of distance. I don't know why that one's all weird. It's kind of strange. It's still not working right. The way it transforms is weird, or lerps. Nope. Okay. Can't really tell. I don't know what's up with that either. No, I don't think that's right. That looks weird. And that still glitches out. What's up with that? Where's the head? Where is it? Face direction. Yeah, it's doing this one afterwards. Oh, no, that should be fine. Boss fight is gonna be boss. It'd be so much easier if I didn't have to think about the orientation. First off, what's with these starting way over there? Did I set that wrong? Oh, okay, I did. There. Wait, why is it over there? What? Oh, wait, what? Why is it saying I'm adding to its orientation this. I'm not setting its position, what the hell? Okay, what if I said, I just set it equal to this plus that. Nope, that still does weirdo shit. I don't know why it goes over there. So like, I don't know, it kind of no, but then it completely breaks apart there. Like it doesn't face towards it. Yeah, see, the z vectors aren't facing towards each other properly. Like they need some time to like reset or something. That's weird. Man, 3D just sucks to work with. I hate using 3D. I just want to make 2D games. It's too much work. Hey Skulls, I'm trying to make like a sandworm thing. And it's just not going great. What do I set this based on? Time instead of distance? Let's see. Rate equals 0.1, let's say. And I say, instead of this, I say current record time equals that, and then I say it's that. People mainly lurk. when I'm doing boring programming stuff, that's extremely annoying and frustrating, yeah. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, because that doesn't track the distance. Does look kind of nicer, but yeah. I could do that by just changing the that's all right. All right, maybe I should look into curve 3Ds. I've been seeing people suggested that. What? Curve. That's not a node. What? I thought that was a node. Why did people suggest that? Curve 3D, how do I use this? Class describes a Bezier curve in 3D space, right? How do I use this? Okay, along the curve, okay, yeah, get page points. How do I use this? Oh, maybe it's path follow, that's what they're saying. Path follow, okay, here we go. How do I use you? When you set as a child of a path node, want to see the magic behind it? It's tons of work. Have someone struggling while you're struggling. Thanks. What is this? What does this do? Path follow, offset, set, loop, cubic, interpolate. What does all this stuff do? Curve is a curve 3D. Make interval, up vector enabled. Maybe I can just use the curve 3D, or not that, but path follow. What does this mean? Yeah, hey, we're working on the worm thing. But yeah, you have computer science. There's always stuff that you just don't understand or know at all. I'm still trying to figure out how to get it to move properly, and like everything I've been trying doesn't work well. So I think I need to take a different approach, right? Okay, so okay. Okay, you have to, Path 3D has no curves. You have to manually create them by code using the sine cosine pattern. Okay. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna, let's make a new project and experiment with path experiments. So I'm going to use path and path follow. Path. Whoops. No. So this does, wait, what does this do? Point sampler for a path. Okay, I don't know what any of that means. So, can I find tutorials? Okay, this is for 2D. No one cares about 2D. Container for a curve 3D. Change your properties and node info. Okay. So then I can add points to it, right? With the path node selected, you get a toolbar. Oh, there it is. I didn't know why I didn't get that before. Okay, but I want to be able to do this from code, right? So I'm like, okay, there's a point, there's a point, there's a point. Right? And then I want to be like, okay, so close, there we go. That closes it. this select point, okay. Now how do I make it, oh, there we go, if I shift, okay, and then I can like, so if I say, I get the, okay, so if I got like the direction between, from the next node to the last one, and I say set that to be this one's Bezier or something, right? Let's see, so we have this, up vector is enabled. Okay. Yeah, hold shift to get curve handles. Okay, so we just do that, that. Oops, okay. It's weird. Okay. Right, okay, so, wait, why does that one have, what? Oh, it's because they're connected. Oh, that's strange, okay. So, can I like create these on the fly, right? And what about this? If I say, you're on here, it'll move along here for an offset. Oh, and then there's a unit offset. Okay, so I can move along at a speed. Okay, so I could say like move along this path. Okay, so let's add in a camera, right? So let's say here, if I say preview, okay, that does not show, wait, view, 2 viewports, preview, okay. So this does not show you the path, but what if I enable debug view? Does that, no, visible navigation, nope. Can you view a path? That's annoying. Okay, maybe I could set up some debug stuff, like put in a mesh instance with a cube on it. Let's see, and let's put 3 children on it. This will be the Y. That'll be the Z, and then this will be the X. Then I can see how it looks on a chain, right? Okay, and then I need to give them colors. So first off, you will get a good base color. Maybe I should just, oh no, maybe yellow. And then you'll get your green. It's kind of hard to see against the yellow. Maybe I should just not have the color on that one. Great, you'll be blue. What? No. Come on. What? Why does it undo it? Okay. Okay, now this one's red. Here we go. Okay, there. And maybe I'll just change this one to there. Great. Okay, so, oh yeah, save you, whatever. So then I could duplicate this, so path follow, put you at 0, right? And then I could be like, okay, can I clear this path? Is there like a clear all or something? Can I like options? No. Can I clear the path? I don't know. It doesn't let me. Okay. So if I were to be like, okay, so if I say create a point there, and then I create another point here, 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 and then here, right? And whatever, move you there. You can't really move them along an axis, which is kind of annoying. I guess you just have to, you're just expected to set your view or something. I delete. Okay. Right, and then I could put like, let's say 3 of these. Oh my god, I hate I hate how it expands them out every time you do that. I think there was a trick for it though, how to like hide them easily. This would be 0.2. This would be 4. This would be 0.6. And then this would be 0.8, right? And then this would be 0, right? Oh, that one doesn't. Oh wait, no, not unit offset, base offset. What? Oh, so it goes back? Why does unit offset? Oh, I set the wrong base offset. There we go. Should be unit. There we go. Okay, so that shows me the path that it takes. It seems like it flips all over the place though. Yeah, what's up with that? It like, these all have different orientations. Rotation mode X, Y, Z, none. Oriented, how about that? What does that do? Aha, oh that looks better, yeah. So then it follows this. Okay, so let's say, let's get rid of you and I'll put I just put an animation on you that's just loops, play on wake, and just start at 0. And over the course of 3 seconds, go to 1. Oops, I made the wrong one for that. Set you there. So it'll just loop, go through the whole path. Right, okay. So now I have a way of viewing the whole path in engine. Okay. Okay, now why did I choose Godot over things like Unity and Unreal? I just like it. 0.1 at the peak. I'm not trying to get a good path here right now. I'm just trying to do, figure out how this works, right? Okay, so now I want to generate something on here. So let's say, let's see. So I want to, first up, let's see, what is it? Clear points. Clear points. Let's see. What do you mean clear points isn't? Oh, it's under, okay, hold up. I need to get the curve 3D. Is that it? Let's see. We have path. Yeah, it's just called curve, which is a little confusing. Curve dot clear points. There we go. Okay, so first up, we're just going to clear the points. Then we need to add some points, right? So like, let's see. How do I add a point? Add point. Okay, here we go. Vector in, out. I don't understand what that means. Path, add point. What does that mean? Adds a point to a curve at position which controls points in and out. What does that mean, points in and out? If at position is given before the point number, okay, it's not given, appended at the end of the point list. Okay, I see. What are the control points in and out? Okay, I think that's determines how it curves, right? Okay, I see, I see. So first up, I want to add in all the points, and then I want to get, so I guess I just figure out what the curve is. So let's choose a start point, bar start point, 3, and then end point and a midpoint. End points. Okay, so let's say equals vector 3 Okay, so we get the start position, which is, let's just say 0, 0, 0. And then we're going to get the end position. It's going to be, let's say 10 on the Z. And then this one will be in the middle. Okay. And then let's say that would be in the middle, and then we'll say this is going to be at height 10 and 5, or maybe like 7 or something, right? So we'll get the midpoints. All right, and then the in out we have to set. Actually, this should probably be like under the plane. Let's see. So that would be -2, -2. And let's put a mesh plane. There we go. I have no idea where the start and end are. I think that's transform. That's position. Oh, that's, yeah, that's there. And then that goes to 10 right there. So I need to make sure that that is visible in the camera. Let's move it to there. Okay. So that should be fine. Okay, so this is going to we create the points, and then we're going to say the in and out would be equals midpoint. No, not midpoint. I want start point, direction to the end point. Okay, and then so we'll say we're gonna do curve dot add point start point, and then we're gonna do midpoint, and it'll be the in out. The in will be, let's say, I don't know which order it's supposed to be in, so we'll do that one and then that one, and then we'll say that. Okay, so then once I add points, do I need to say bake or anything? I don't. When I call add point, does it auto bake, or do I need to, like, I'm not sure. Bake the link and use that? Yeah, but how do you bake it? Get baked length? Like, I don't know. Like, do I just add the points? Is that good enough? Or do I have to do something else? Get baked length. That doesn't do anything. That just returns a value based on the cached points, right? That doesn't say that it's baking it again. Changing it forces the, oh, okay. Oh, I see. Changing under bake interval, they put changing it forces the cache to be recomputed the next time get baked points or get baked length function is called. Okay. More points. Okay. The smaller the distance, so use with care. Okay. So then we'll say curve dot get baked length. Oh, wait. But that's only changing bake interval. Do you have to call it every time? All right, let's see. So let's see. Okay, so that, oh, looks like it's following it. Okay, but I have this flipped. Okay. Let's see, and then I need to get, I guess, the distance between them or something. so this needs to be like smoother. So let's say, let's say this var, I'll just say this minus this, and then I'll say in out vec dot length. Let's see, so we get the distance between them, and then give me the distance, and then that'll be, do I want it normalized or do I want it something different? Divided by equals, hang on, let's just see what it looks like with the same length. Okay, that makes it loop like crazy. So maybe I should say by that, no, yeah, times the length divided by 2 or something. Or maybe I should be doing divided by. Divided by would give 1. So if I have this, it'll give 2, right? Oh wait, that's not what I want. Yeah. So this should just be times 3, right? Or something like, not times 3, but like if I have the length, it could be like 0.5. That seems to give a nicer curve. And then I could like even shrink it more. Okay. Okay. So I could have, now I can do states. So I could be like, okay, let's get a target. So let's say input map, forwards, move left, move right, backwards, okay. Okay, so now I need to add like a little target. I don't know, I'll call it kinematic body and collision shape, whatever. I really don't need any of this. I'll just say player. And I need to do, can I just copy my character mover wherever it is? Where the hell am I getting the move vector? There, get move vec. There. Is that what I set the input? Move forwards, backwards. Okay, there we go. Okay, and now this. Now we do, say var speed equals 5. And collide move vec dot rotated, I don't know, rotation dot y times move speed. There we go. Let's see if that works. No. Oh. 3 dots up, right? Oh, did I not add you to the scene? Oh, I need to multiply delta. Okay, so the rotations are a bit, I need to rotate this. 90. There we go. Okay, so now I have a little target player I can move around. So now I want a reference to that from this target path. So it's gonna be export node path, var target path, var target. So I'll just say onReady var target equals. No, that won't work. Spatial target. Okay, so we get a reference to the target. Let's see, and then we're gonna say so with this, can I like remove points and add them in maybe? Let's say var max points equals, I don't know, 8 or something, right? And then I would be like, let's see, nodes speed, I don't know, equals, let's say 5 units a second. And then under the path, instead of these using animation player, I'd be like function move for child and get children, say offset child dot if child is path follow child dot offset plus equals nodes speed, and I should pass in delta there. All right, so now I can make it move along the offset. Okay, so now we got that. Move nodes. Now I need function, I don't know, physics process. It's delta, okay. So now I guess, what do I do here? How am I gonna check? I guess I would need to get the head node or something. So let's see. Var head equals child 0. There. Okay, so path follow equals the head, right? Do you want it to adjust its aim while it's arcing, or is it commit to a path? It's just going to commit to a path. That's what I'm thinking. On some, I mean, I could probably just adjust the path on the fly even. I think it would be cool if it committed to a path, because then I could make it move faster. And then when you see it shoot out of the ground, it'll be like coming at you terrifyingly quick. So what I'm going to do now is it'd be more fun to play against committing, I think. Okay, so we get this. Now I need to get this. I need to do this. So let's see, create new path. Let's see, function create new path. So we're gonna do this. if head dot unit offset is I don't know. Greater than, I don't know, 0.9 or something. No, that one makes sense. It's offset, so let's see. If curve dot get big length minus that is less than 10, or I don't know. Let's say 5 units, okay. Then let's create new path, right? Oh, and I should do this on function ready. So let's say I'm gonna move you down, right? Oh, you can't move, oh, you can, okay, I was clicking the wrong thing. So I'll set you to -6, how about, right? And then I'll say that I want you to go so your start point will be your position, right? Well, no, wait. I know the endpoint is going to be the player's position. Player dot global transform dot origin, right? Oh, target. Whoops, there we go, target. That's going to be the endpoint, is that target's Android. And we need like a arc height equals, let's say 8. And we'll say the midpoint is going to be halfway between these. So like, we'll say start point, end point. Oh, so we'll get the heads, I know. We'll do this, get the head. Start point will be the heads, global transform origin, and then the end point will be the targets, and then the midpoint, we'll do the endpoint minus that. Then we'll give a vector pointing from the first to the second, plus the start point divided by 2. So this will give me halfway between, okay? And then I could set midpoint dot y equals 0. Oh, no, y equals arc height. There we go. And then in and out vector will be that, okay? Start point is just some random within the radius. Let me think. Okay, and then we're gonna have, so that's the start, and mid, and end points of the arc. And then I need to do endpoint equals that. Oh, and then burrow point, and then I need a burrow point, so we'll do, see, this would be mid and out vector maybe. Oh wait. Get in out vector start vector point and point. So this will just pass in. Let's see. This. Return endpoint minus start point times 0.4. There we go. And then I say get endpoint this. Then I can reuse that. There. Okay, so then we got the endpoint, and then we need the burrow point. So it'll be mid. Okay, and then we need the var burrow point. Wait. Start point, end point, midpoint. Burrow point is going to be the ground point. So let's say the, how about midpoint pointing towards that. So let's say midpoint equals midpoint dot direction to endpoint. So we get the direction, and then we just add that to the endpoint. So this plus this times 10, okay. And then we add the burrow point, and then we'll need a burrow in out vector, I guess. Oh, and then it should go to a random point from there, I feel like. Instead of, yeah, it should go to like a random point or something. Okay, well let's just start with this and see how it looks. So we're gonna have burrow point is gonna go for, let's see, it's gonna have a mid, and then it's gonna have, end in out. To go from end to burrow. There we go. And then this is gonna have this, and then this, and then we're going to add in the burrow point. Okay, there we go. And then so once the head offset is there, let's see what that looks like. What? Okay, and then it breaks. Oh, I never got the target. There we go. Assign to the player. Oh, and then it breaks again. What is this? Target? What? Oh, I never assigned it. Duh. Target equals get node target path. Okay. Did it create a new path? There. Oh, no, okay. So now it's, can't really, I should hide the plane. I can't really tell what it's doing. Okay, so it goes down. Oh, okay, and then it glitches around. And I have no idea what it's doing. And then it like shoots straight down. What? What? Okay, then it, yeah, okay, that's not working. Is it because it's like, when it creates a new path? Maybe instead of clearing, I should just remove the first ones. What if I say curve dot remove point? There. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, there will be particle points. I was planning to do that. Oh, and then it glitches out again. I wish there was a debug view for this. Is there a debug view for this? Godot path debug view. Is it one of these that just didn't show up in the editor? No. Can't see that. So dumb. So dumb. Is there a way I could deal with it? I need to visualize these points so I can actually see what's going on. What are these errors? Oh, wait. Okay, maybe I want to do, let's see. If curve dot points gets point count is greater than 4, then we do that. There, that might have been the problem. I could draw small cubes, and then I'd have to add them in. Let's just do that. Cube. debug.global. Equals start point. Right there, there, there. Okay. And then it just doesn't really create an arc now, does it? So it just glitches out. Maybe I need to like reset all the path follows or something. So we do that, and then I say get children child path follow child dot offset equals 0. Oh, hang on, that looks like it's working. I just had to reset its position. Oh, the curve is a little too much though. Okay, it's not following the curve as nicely because maybe it's arcing too much. Okay, I think it's arcing too much. Let's see, on the weight or something. And this one we say 0.4, and then this one we'll say 1 maybe? Okay. I wish I could actually see the curve though. Yeah, I think I should just like set a random position. So let's see. Like in an area or something. Oh, I could just do in the paths area, right? That would be better. For start radius. Yeah, I forgot if you said the 8 points thing, but I am kind of doing that. But I like how it resets, because you don't actually see it when it's underground, so it doesn't matter if it's not in the right spot, you know? Since the player will never see that. Let's say 10.0. So we'll just say arc position minus vector dot down times 4, whatever. Actually, I guess it doesn't matter. I'll just say that plus vector 3 dot right rotated along the vector 3 dot up by random range. Let's see. Random range, let's see. 0 to 2 times pi. And we do that times start radius. So that should give me a random point in the start radius, right? And what is our start position? -6, okay. And maybe let's attach the camera to the player. What? Get a better perspective on it or something. Okay. And I could always get the velocity of the player too. Sometimes, yeah, it has like a weird arc. Maybe, yeah, it should do something. It should like make sure it's not spawning near the player or something. So I should get like I could have like a bunch of start positions. I could like pre-choose some static start positions or something and like randomly choose those. And if the player is too close to them, it won't do it. So that way you won't get that weird arc there. It could just start, or it could just start in a half of the arena that the player's not in, kind of thing. Yeah, okay, that is working. I gotta go, though, unfortunately, but cool. That seems like it's working pretty well. I could just check. Let's try, let's see, node distance. Let's see, var segment length equals, let's say 3. Where is it? Move nodes, here we are. And that, let's see, var last offset equals 0. Index equals index equals 0. Okay, so, or no, I could just say first. True. If first, we'll do this, and then we'll say last offset equals child dot offset, and then we'll say child dot offset equals clamp. Wait, if I were to subtract, if I were just to say equals last offset minus, what was it, segment length? Else, there we go. Yeah, I think this one's gonna be fun once it's, it looks like curve 3 was the way to go. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, and then I say first equals false. There we go. Okay. Oh, nice. It seems like it follows it really well. Okay, but that one's got to be clamped. So equals clamp this to 0. Or I guess I just need a var new offset equals that. New is less than 0, then new equals, and then I say child dot offset equals new offset. There we go. There, and that's fine if it does that, as long as it's underground. Okay, that looks cool. And then, yeah, just tweaking some numbers and stuff should make it fine. And you know what? Maybe I'll just have it constantly do this, and then it'll just do attacks while it's in the air. So like it'll like Yeah, I could just do attacks while it's in the air and stuff. Underground areas, yeah, probably. Sandworms, yeah. Working on it. Okay, well, I gotta run now. But that, I'll take a clip of that or something. Whatever, I'll do that some other time. Alright, slightly slowed down as it reached the top. Maybe. Yeah, okay. Let's see. I'll have to, I guess, let's see, I'd have to figure out where it is on the path. Game development. Who to raid? Who's this? Have I raided this person before? Judging a game jam. Bitmark's doing a game jam. He'll probably be cool to watch. Chill family. Oh, I think I hosted them the other day. That's right. These are all people I've hosted many times. I don't know. 4-Bit Friday, who's that? Oh, sure. Have I rated them recently? Who's this menu? Yeah, sure, I'll raid them. Raid 4-Bit Friday. Alright, see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get all the code done, and I'll probably get I think I'll have all the code done for that. And then it's just gonna be next up, I'll have to do the, whatchamacallit, the mesh. Yeah, we'll do the mesh, which shouldn't be too hard. I'll just have to remember how to do bones. Thanks for joining Certus and Wookie and Orphan and Monster and all you people. I'll see you tomorrow.